Welcome back. Welcome back to Kukong Backyard Farming. Today is February 9, 2025. And this is my fifth vlog. It's all about game fowl breeding. This game fowl breeding is so popular back home in the Philippines, and I have a four pure breds of game fowl breed, which is I have a Simbic yellow-legged hatch, Popeye Gray, a trio, what you call this, 20K Grand Kelso, a trio also, a Bobby Fairchild Gray, trio too. I have 4 trios, so I just started last month, I think, and they already have some eggs now. So this video is all about game fowl breeding. I have a guy there who take care of my game fowl. His name is Jipoy for short. Jipoy. Shout out to Jipoy. Shout out to Jude. Shout out to Cedric. Hope you're gonna love this video, guys. This one is all about game fowl breeding, straight breeding. I will show to you the eggs and some of the chicks that they are already there. Alright, so today is February 9, 2025. Thanks, guys.
Time screen natin. Tama pa pa.
Alright, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Maybe next time I'm gonna show all the what you call this one, the chick that already a little bit grown up, and it's a shout out time. Shout out to my colleague, Howie Lee, Al Amin Faiz Lee. Pano Kaamo, Cedric Kaamo, Gerald Dr. Lero, and Jude Dr. Lero. Shout out sa inyo. Hopefully guys, you like this video, and hope to see you soon. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, and